So I connected my camera just by searching, but another way to connect is down here. There's a little QR code. So my camera's set up. I have it on the entrance of my house, so I could see these stairs. So there it is. Really nice camera. It has this feature also where you could turn on the light. You could talk and you could hear. So pretty cool. On the side of the camera is a reset button and a slot for the SD card. It also comes with this. This is a little plate which is magnetic, so it sticks to the bottom of the camera. And this is a double adhesive. It also comes with the screws. So you could use the adhesive on the magnet, you could screw it in, or you could put that adhesive directly on the camera if you want to mount it somewhere.